Deciding to stop breastfeeding is a personal choice. Knowing safe ways to dry up your milk supply can make the process more comfortable. Drying up breast milk takes patience and the right care to prevent pain and problems. The best way to reduce your milk supply is to drop one feeding at a time. Start by removing one nursing or pumping session every 2 to 3 days, which allows your body to slowly adjust to making less milk. When you drop a feeding, replace it with formula or solid food if your baby is old enough. This keeps your baby full and satisfied, while giving your body time to naturally reduce milk production. It also makes the transition smoother for your little one and less stressful for you. Give your breasts time to adjust as you gradually reduce feedings. A slow reduction lowers the risk of painful engorgement or infections like mastitis, making the process more comfortable and safe. Wearing a supportive, but not overly tight bra can help when drying up your milk supply. A well-fitted bra provides comfort and reduces breast stimulation, which signals your body to make less milk. To help dry up your breast milk supply, apply an ice pack or chilled cabbage leaves to your breasts for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. The cold helps reduce swelling and eases pain. Some women find that placing chilled cabbage leaves inside their bra provides natural relief and supports the process of slowing milk production. Try not to let hot water run on your breasts in the shower. Warm water can make your milk flow more and slow down the drying up process. Keep showers gentle and avoid direct heat on the breast area. Some foods and drinks are believed to help lower milk supply, such as peppermint tea, sage tea, or fresh parsley. Adding these in small amounts may support the drying up process naturally. Getting proper sleep and rest can make the process of drying up milk more comfortable. Try to sleep on your back to avoid putting extra pressure on your breasts. Using pillows for support can also help you stay comfortable and reduce discomfort during the night. It's important to stay hydrated, but try not to overdrink water or other fluids. Drinking too much can sometimes keep milk production going, so aim for normal, balanced intake instead of extra. Your doctor can prescribe a tablet that helps stop your body from making breast milk by blocking the hormone responsible for milk production. Most women only need one dose, but if more is required, your doctor or GP can provide it. Combine supportive remedies, simple diet changes, and comfort measures to make the process easier. If needed, consult your healthcare provider for extra help and guidance.